Thank you, Kevin, and thank you to Marie actually for having taken the initiative to organize this event. It's very good to welcome back Marie in Japan after 5 years of absence, but I mean there was some reasons behind. But anyway, it's very important actually to have this kind of forum, and it's good to have it at the Imperial Hotel today, which is I think one of the iconic buildings. I mean in the hotel business and industry in Tokyo. It's interesting because the building was actually in its original version created in the 1890s, so it's already a very, very old one. It has been rebuilt 2 times after that, ups and downs. I mean, fire destroying the building, earthquake in 1923, which hardly damaged actually the building. And since it was a bit decayed back in the late 60s, 70s, it was restored again. I mean, up to what it is now, which is one of the very good, glorious hotels in Tokyo. And somehow, ups and downs, difficult times, glory, it's not too dissimilar to what we are facing in the shipping industry. And that's why I think to have this event here is also quite a symbolic factor issue. Indeed, the maritime industry right now is facing a lot of difficult times in many, many different sectors. There is distress, a lot of stress. In some others, actually, that's actually doing quite well. But this is one of the particular way the industry is actually overall functioning. The industry is known for its volatility, for its cyclicality. And more than often, it's actually unfortunate. I think it deserves a better treatment. I think it deserves actually a very good image. It's, after all, one of those very key industries which is helping for integration, economic development all over the world. And it's obviously very important that we actually consider that thanks to that, we have security of supply, reliability of services for trade, for industries, for economic integration on a global scale. And therefore we should, and it's really one of these events today which helps us actually to be together for actually talking about that, we should aim collectively at maintaining, restoring the good image that the industry should have. One of reliability, one of discipline, one of obviously sustainability. And this is fundamental to secure what is key, obviously, and that's what marine money is for, after all, is a supply of long-term capital to the industry to make sure that precisely there is sustainability. And it's also for making sure that we have the long-term supply of talents within the industry, because without good human resources, we will certainly have more difficulties in the future. And at this juncture, what is making it difficult is that many of the financiers worldwide in overall businesses are facing a lot of issues. There's a lot of business model rethinking, revisions, reinventions for some of them in the overall financing sector worldwide, whatever the region. And it's affecting the maritime business, the maritime finance industry. And it may even affect more the maritime finance sector in the future. Things are actually being cooked, already happening for some of them, which obviously could present some more difficulties. We certainly will talk about that with you today. So we should again make sure that collectively we work to ensure that there is no capital erosion within the industry, that there is no capital distortion also within the industry, and that there is a needed supply of capital long-term for the industry. And in all these fairly complex contexts, more than ever, what matters is dialogue, relationship building. And again, an event like the one today is one of those very important moments for us all together to make sure that we understand what's happening and hopefully at some point make it actually a better industry. And as an anchor sponsor, SMBC is very keen to play a role to its certain degree for that to happen for the future as well. At the time, it's very important, given the difficulties that we face, that we sort out these difficulties, or that we iron out difficulties in a way which is well organized. We have to assess very well always what's happening in the industry, around the various sectors of the industry. We have to study carefully. We need to learn again and again from the past. We need to make sure that we don't go too close to the sun somehow in this particular business. We need to keep a very long-term view and engage others to do so, and engage with others to do so. And very much around core values such as trust, loyalty, commitment. this is really thanks to actually these core values that we make sure that we have a better industry for the future. And Japan is obviously a very strong reference in this particular context, given, I mean, what we know well, obviously, of the country in terms of ethics, of history. So we need this reference. We need a very strong Japanese maritime business, shipping business, ship financing business, and shipbuilding business in Japan, more than ever. So Marine Money is a very good forum for that. It's a very good way for us all together to actually have more views on market issues, updates, also some ideas that we can live with when we actually go away and think of actually new ways of doing certain things. And obviously the network is also very much what we are essentially aiming at around such an event. So thank you very much again for Marine Money. We hope that this will be today one where there will be more food for thought, light, guidance, hopefully, some more comfort. So I wish you a very good day all around these topics. Thank you.